In this episode, we'll be covering the sports season, important reminders, and more on Friday, January 13th, 2023.
Welcome back, Devils. Let's bring things over to Calvin and Cole for more updates on the sports season.
Thank you, guys. The boys' varsity basketball team had a game Wednesday night where they took a tough loss, 81-64, to South Lancaster. Cole Patterson had quite the game with 31 points.
Thank you, Marcus. The boys host St. Bernard's tonight at 7, and then they host Tejano next Tuesday at 7. The girls travel to Tejano next Tuesday, and they play at 6.
The boys are going to have a huge bounce back versus St. Bernard's. If you don't pack the castle, I have no idea what you're doing. The Co-op Gardner hockey team took home 2 wins.
A 5-3 win versus Peabody on Saturday night, and a 4-2 win versus Oakmont Wednesday night.
Jason Higman scored in both of their games.
They host Chicopee Comp on Saturday at 3:30 and travel to Wallace Civic Center to play Fitchburg Monty Tech at 6:30.
Tickets Saturday are $5 at the door. Pop out tomorrow. The vet is going to be bumping.
The winter track team had a meet against Maynard on Wednesday night. They took a loss. They have a meet next week against Clinton High School. That's all we have for you guys. Back to the girls in the studio.
Thank you, guys. Matilda the Musical will be performed on the 3rd and 4th of February at 7 p.m. Tickets will be available at the door.
Here's a reminder that there is no school on Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Here's another reminder that there will be midterms from Tuesday to Friday next week, which are also half days. Make sure to study and try your best.
Lastly, this Friday is the end of Term 2, so be sure to get all of your work in on time.
Now that we got some important reminders out of the way, let's kick it over to Alex for an update on the weather.
Thanks, guys, but here's the upcoming weather. Today, there might be some rain before 11 p.m. and partially fog throughout the day. Temps will be at highs at 51 and dropping into the mid-20s. For tomorrow, it'll be mostly sunny with a high of 31 and dropping to the high teens. For Sunday, it'll be mostly sunny once again with the highs at being 34 and dropping into the high teens. For the beginning of next week, it'll be mostly cloudy for both Monday and Tuesday. Temps will be at high 30s and dropping into the mid-20s. That is all. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Alex. Now, let's see what Jack and Gavin will be burning in the microwave today.
Hey, today we're back with Jack Snacks and with my partner Gavin. Gavin, how's it going?
Pretty good.
We're making s'mores today. Gavin's gonna run you through the ingredients.
So today we're gonna need some marshmallows, some Grammy Hammies, and some chocolate bars.
All right, let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
The first thing you're gonna do is get your graham crackers out. Lay them out on the plates you're gonna be using.
All right, so we're gonna do 8 s'mores, so we need 16 crackers.
So now you're gonna lay chocolate down on some of your crackers so you can have the chocolate part of the s'more. And we're using Hershey chocolate because that's what my mommy bought.
All right, so now we're gonna get these marshmallows out. This one's gonna go sideways because no one likes that one.
After your plate starts to look a little like this, you're gonna take it out to the microwave and we'll tell you how long to do it from there. So what we did is we put them in for 10 seconds without the top cracker on, and then 10 more with the top on to smush it down real flat. And this was our product. Results will vary depending on what your microwave is like because we used 4 different ones.
All right, since we cooked all these s'mores, time to get the taste testers over here.
Here we have our taste testers, Jeff and Germani. They're gonna let you know how they taste, I guess.
Oh, it's good. It's better than the rest of the weeks.
I agree.
I'm microwave the.
Not gonna lie, these are pretty good.
Okay, let's quickly move on from that. Let's go around Murdoch and see what everyone's answers for the question of the week.
Question of the week. What's the best meal of the day?
Breakfast, definitely.
What's the best meal of the day?
The dinner after the dinner.
What's the best meal of the day?
Dinner. Definitely dinner.
I gotta say that midnight bowl of cereal.
The one that somebody else cooks for me.
Breakfast, but for dinner.
What is the best meal of the day?
For me, I think dinner.
That's a good choice.
Snacks.
Dinner.
Okay.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but dinner is definitely the best.
My favorite meal of the day is dinner because you can eat anything at that time, even if you want breakfast for dinner.
Even
you can
bacon,
eat it.
right, Missy?
Yes, even bacon.
Supper. Most important meal is probably dinner.
What's your favorite meal of the day?
That's waffles.
Back to you guys in the studio.
That'll do it for this week's episode. Be sure to stay updated by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at MurdochHS.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we post an episode.
And with that, we'll see you next week, Murdoch.